morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Z32 workshop, where I am continuing to tear apart my parts car 1993 Nissan 300ZX Convertible. This morning we'll be yanking the carpet out, and then maybe some structural components or crash beams, I'm sure that's what they are, on either side, just to get them out of the car to see what's behind it for controllers. I apologize, the crickets are really bad today. I got one, I'd love to kill it. So that's what we're doing today, is the carpet and some other interior pieces. There won't be any more of the nice stuff. There'll be stuff behind the panels, whether they're part of the HVAC system, the heating and cooling, or if they're part of the safety structural component. And I'll show what I'm talking about here. So let me get you guys get flipped around. I almost forgot. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. This is just me continuing to tear apart this car, to learn how things come apart, to know how to actually service this car if you actually need to repair it in some fashion. Whether it's from an accident or if something's broke, you need to get down to it to fix. So let me guys get you flipped around and we'll see what's going on. As you can see, all the other interior panels are off, which will give you access. The big ones are getting this kick panel, this door sill, this panel here off the back side. The center column stack needs to be removed for console and radio so you can get access to it. And the same goes for the other side. So what y'all are going to do, hopefully this should be pretty easy, just pick up. Here, let me get you guys set up for this. Alright. Everything should be loose. You pick this up, which just clips over the pinch welds and everything. Once that's loose, you should be able to just pull on up. Oh, did forget, there is a screw in the middle for the floor mats on either side. That's going to get in the way if we don't remove that. Alright. Talking about is this little guy. It's just a little plastic guy. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy, see? Keep trying to get this up. All right, here. Alright, running into my first problem, guys. Second problem. I'll show you down here. Let's get down here and look. It's down by the footwell. See, there is one hole there that was for the other one. There is one right there for this side. And I am guessing the back pedal stop for the gas pedal needs to come out. And then that's what we got to get removed to help get the carpet out. Huh. Oh, more leftover wiring. Unusual. That's garbage. That's from the stereo. As you can see, I'm slowly working my way around this to get it loose. I have most of this free on this side except for going around up by the center stack. I'm hoping that should come right on out. This side I'm doing the exact same thing I did on the passenger side is the exact same way I did on the driver's. Picking up from this corner here, or from this lip, and just pulling, gently tugging everywhere to get this thing to break loose on what's here. Because there is, looks like there's some type of glue or tape that holds a good chunk of this stuff down. Oh, this does. Big fear is, that's the way it is. This, the carpet, I've got everything loose. The carpet doesn't want to go because I think it goes behind here. So let's get rid of this crash bar and some of this stuff up here. That's going to be, it looks like 8mm. Gets rid of 8 and 10mm. We'll get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Because it looks like the carpet goes through the center, so I can't remove it as one big piece. And that's what I'm trying to do. So let me get you guys closer to show you what I'm talking about. Let's go over here. All right. Let's see if I can show you the issues. I know this is a little bit longer, guys, but the carpet goes up behind there. Oh, hang on. Behind there. So it's all one big piece. So that means I need to get all of this out of the way. So let me start pulling that apart and see what happens. I think the first one I'm going to take apart is I'm going to get rid of this guy here, which would be the ducts for the windows for the defrost. 8mm, guys, or gals. We'll start our way on the top and work our way down. One bolt. Well, this stuff's all plastic. It's all part of the HVAC heating and cooling system. There's two there. And then that whole tube comes off. We'll do the same on this side. Beauty of having a convertible, you can go through across side to side. That's done. Looks like this guy's got glass in it from whenever this glass windshield got broke. You can hear it in there. So I really don't want to toss this without taking a look to make sure I know what this is, so I don't get it all going in the garage. Next component to come on out is going to be the actual defrost, because that was up the side. Defrost has one bolt right here. Directly in the center to get. And then it looks like they got one on the other side. Alright, go across. Once again, the other one should have been there, so it looks like it broke for whatever reason. So that's loose. As you can see, that's just one big component. This comes up out of the air box and comes out. That gives us access up in here. Oh, that ain't factory. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. Yeah. I know this is a little bit longer video, but I'm trying to get the carpet out. You know, the things I just took out were just the cooling, or just for vents. See how this module is just, oh heck, you can see it broke. See it there? That's broken, just flopping around. That will cause a rattle and then some, because, well, it's just not hooked to anything. So, we're going to continue, but next up I'm doing this beam across. That's going to get us access to more stuff. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts that hold that in. And then we'll remove this whole beam coming across here, which is giving the car structural rigidity going across it. Alright. Looks like that guy's a 10mm, and that's just holding on more of the heating and cooling. Duct work. That just comes right on out. The next up stuff looks like it's 10mm instead of 8mm. So switch into the 10mm ratchet. And it looks like she's actually in for some strength. Oh, she's in there pretty hard, guys. Hang on, let me put you on pause here a little bit so I can actually get this work done. All right, everybody. Got all the other bolts loose. Should be able to pull this whole thing up and out. Ta-da! And that is how you get the bar that harness comes across. That gives you access to the blower motor, to all this stuff. Let me put this down. I'll show you a little preview. Tell you what, there are a lot of bolts on that one. Way more than I was anticipating. And I'll show you where those are at. All right, let's come here. Obviously, was these two here. There's 4 here. The big one is to get it loosen all these around this stuff right here to get this bracket out so you can get into it. There's also a safety one back in here, right here. That's one of these guys, because this is the airbag module. So that is how to get that out. I know this isn't a complete done yet for the carpet. I apologize, but I'm running out of time this morning. And you could see this had to be somewhere. I don't know where this went, but it's obviously broken and was just flopping around on the interior here. You know. So that's how that is right now, people. So once again, continuing saga of tearing apart the dash here, of getting into where I need to get into. All right. Sorry about that, everybody. I thought I'd get the carpet out today, but I guess I have to get more of the dash components out. The beam that comes across and holds the dash in, and the piping that does all the air for AC and heat. They seem to be on it. I'm trying to pull that out and see if someone might need it. I didn't realize I had to go all the way down, because you get everything else, and then it's just that center stack where I'm assuming the blower motor and all that stuff's at, or at least the doors to do everything. So the next video we'll end up working on more of that. I was hoping to get the carpet out, but that ain't gonna happen. So it's more of a heating and cooling removal project. If you guys have any questions about what I'm doing, I know I skipped a few steps. That's for the sake of the video. I don't want these too long. I was trying to be 16 to 15 minutes. I'm pushing 20, 25 all the time, a little bit longer. I apologize. But if you could like and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps. I'm just starting out and getting this stuff taken care of. So once again, if you have any comments, let me know, and like and subscribe. Thank you. You guys have a good day.